Mykrowavetv TV.
Yeah, guys. So them have to do what they have to do. I'm not here to clear up nothing at all. That is not my prerogative. Nope. I know what I know. Yeah, she try to get back green card and involved in this. I tell you, say, somebody did say me sis man. I don't know why them say it. But she's not. And that is just the truth. So them I gotta do everything, you know. Yes, as them say, them I go send this, them I go authorities, this, that. I want them get every mama blood clot involved. Everybody. Everybody I would want to get involved. But I don't want them stop talk. Because them think say, them always say, when you dig hole, dig 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because when me know, I know Queeny I go drop in that hole, yeah. Me not ask you know. Queeny have nothing to hide. My life is an open book. I have never hide any aspect of my life. Never. It is an open book. And do I remind you, every school in Jamaica has a lawyer on their board. Why you have a lawyer? For when things like these come up. Okay? So, I'm sure the lawyer will be getting busy. The school lawyer, not Queeny lawyer. The school lawyer, because remember, you know, when you no done, I know me I gonna need lawyer.
Public, look for video when them they call the school name. Look for that one day. The school name, Moa. Send me that one day.
Because remember, as somebody they tell you say, you see where uno come with, and I try to bring down Shay. Uno where I try to bring down Shay.
Especially when she went to New
Uno I go try to bring down Shay and bring down on herself.
Because she couldn't find the money to pay the man. So right.
Oh, yeah, when them call the school, right.
Calling this man.
Not the Mobile one, the one at Kingston, the name.
Okay, yeah, me
Yes,
get it. Thanks,
yeah, I'm glad for your advice.
Yeah, thanks.
You see what I mean, you know?
Calling this
Me not have nothing for hide. Nothing at all. Me not come right there so come clear up nothing. Or say yes, this, that, no. I don't have time for that. You don't have to do what you have to do. But all I can say, if I am ever called upon, I'm always firm to say what I want to do with all these persons. You don't have to ask when I go tell them what I want to do with you. You don't have to ask when I go tell them. So until then, just spread no rumors. Make sure no rumors work out for you. I share body cause all of this cruella.
Just bad.
Share body cause all of this. And not only the body, doing the body and don't buy a car according to Rosalie, doing the body and stand up and don't sit down. Doing the body and them say she can't eat certain things right now and she eat what she can eat what the doctor tell her and she follow instruction because just through she follow instruction, yeah, the $1,500. Just through she follow instruction, everybody have a problem. Just through them, when them come out, them name down the place and then shape like I don't know what. Just so she had the right thing, and it caused all of this. Brick make them doing it, them say. So that makes sense. Brick make them doing it. Me don't know why the people them although the people them laugh for a long time. Because, you know, me want to know. when she, wanna keep on a talk about brick money. You know, all know the people that will say share the money, I wonder, and when them send brick money. I see me people over here. I tell you, I don't know nothing about your girl. The people them, remember everybody gonna come about, so when the wait, let me see a girl.
No, me, make them talk. Make
So
them
when
talk.
the far come off, them a go mad? I don't know.
Make them talk, make them talk, friend, make them talk.
Make them say anything what they want to say. As what me say, 10 store down because me hear people are talk about from Shay no Queeny and this, that and Queeny never this and Queeny is a nice person, Queeny city. At the end of the day, I am with Shay and a Shay me want. There's nobody that will change my mind. There's nobody that can change my mind. It no matter who want come say them know me from who no know me. It no matter who want say them know how me stay from how me no stay. At the end of the day, 10 toe blood clot down with Shay. Have her back straight. And I that me say. Who no choose where who no want choose. Me choose who me want choose. So me no care what no want come say. What type of person she be? Who no can't use no X for her. If you come tell me nothing about she because you say everything what X I talk about, I am here to prove it. And me not pick up for her. So you see, if she did not do all of them things with the X, she's not doing it with Queeny. So I guess different strokes are different folks. It's simple as that. I want back up. I wanna go mad. Una sick? Una don't know the woman personality. Una think she careless and them something there. So you see all of the people that have up them feelings where them things say she could have make reach a foreigner, she never make them reach. So una come now and have her up, una free for bring the belly them come. You see the people them where they think them have Queeny and when them find out Queeny they with Shay and them still big mad about it, una have to go carry the belly them. Because I am with Shay and I'm not leaving. You see the people them will have a problem with me coming over here to learn the language and why I come to a non-English speaking country and why I never stay America and why this and why that, not that. Una just have to go solve your own problem because I can't help you with those answers. Una just have to go and do the PR work and get those answers. And work with the people them with help, you know. I don't know. Una can't choose me. And she still is the number one choice. Una cannot make we break up right, no time. Me tired of telling you, me and her can do that. Una no powerful so. So when you come out, oh, she take up this year, wanna know about her. More than say she dance. What you really know about her? Make them stay there. And go like America is all that. Touch me now, look. Only just hurt. Because she has somebody who show her love. And she has somebody who want her. Because somebody know she has somebody who blood clot have her back straight. And that never happened for me yet. On a big bad mad, we on have to go drop down dead. Because me not go left her for suit, you know. If she want go on, she can go on. 10 toes down. Public of that me know. You see, a lot of people them worry about my head and my age and my breast and my this and my that. I don't care what the blood clot wants. So that I have a thing for the way blood clot me. Because I don't know how frownsy people are going to tell me. How stinking people who stink are going to tell me, say me frownsy. Ask anybody, what you need for the person who own me up, ask them if them ever smell me yet.
Hey, I want the people them say, Hear them now?
Yes, them create a whole Netflix series with she and Queeny life. Without facts.
Hey! And the facts, them, you know, see, that's the facts me away upon. I can't take a friction story, them, and the facts, them.
Be a story. I don't just work up on a story.
Be a story.
That's all me I say. Work up on a story, man. Work up on a self, because we over here, we're good. I laugh, we a laugh. I laugh, we a laugh. You see when we watch, you know, I bust out laugh.
Me laugh.
We just wait.
Hey, from me I hear on the live, I be a laugh, me laugh, you fuck. Hear me, hear ya. And when the girl come up on the live and say, me know she, and she 10-man battery her, and she fuck for wear a wig, and she go like she a statement. She there with BMW. Mimi, me don't know if you know Chunky. She live down at the bottom of the road.
Right, good, I know we can't see no receipt.
All right, mama tell you. You know Chunky? Yes. Chunky wanna live nowhere. She used to live with me. Guess who fuck her, Mimi? Nathan. Nathan used to fuck her. She used to come at my house and live with me, and Nathan fuck out her hole, and after Nathan fuck her, Gaily fuck her.
Plus you fuck her.
Plus me fuck her.
Jesus, the whole family fuck her. Jesus.
Yes! And she come and never tell the people themselves about my hype and my friend them. Baby, Mimi and my friend, she can't tell you. Me never one day hype on my friend them, I lie.
Baby, your friend
It's because everybody got them separate ways. Me and Mimi used to have one group. The whole of we used to have one group or the whole of we in a. She said my hype on my friend them. Mimi, guess what the girl have me up for? Mama tell you.
Nothing when nobody says true. Nothing when the ex says true.
I'm black that person. I'm not talking about. Me I talk to my friend. Mimi, guess what Chunky have me up for? Chunky text me one day, March the 2020. She text me and said, girl, not now go on to Jamaica. You know? Oh, them black you. She said, girl, not now go on to Jamaica. You can't give me a link. So I said to her, I said, Chunky, me nah no link. Oh, me reach a Belgium, you know how me come here. Everybody know how me reach here. Remember, I look out for me and say, girl, my ways of coming to Belgium is terrible. It's not no way where you just get a link and visa and reach a different something me though. The girl send me her number and said, text me on WhatsApp. I'm not text her. She vex because I'm not message her on WhatsApp. She text me back again and said, girl, me tell you for me to text me on WhatsApp and you don't text me back. So I said, girl, me soon message you. Send me back your number. The girl send me her number. I still not message her on WhatsApp. Your life me a save. Come I tell you, say, the link where you said Jamaica are you want a link. I said to you, say, the link where me have, my link different, baby. My link different. So I'm a baby father know about Chunky because him know say Chunky the beg me. I said Chunky, the link different. I cannot give you a link to come here. You're not that type of girl. You're not strong like me. You're soft. You understand? You would snitch on people and say this and say that. So you can't. It's just that you cannot manage. Me different from you. And that I said to her. You see from there, sir, Chunky have me up. She tell me to text her on WhatsApp and I don't text her, baby.
Yeah, we don't know her belly, everything her belly. All of the people that we attack,
she send me her number.
Own me up her belly.
Hear
never know say that.
Hear her on the live no. She hype on her friend them. From she reach her foreign, she hype. Come on, girl. Everybody outgrow everybody. The whole of we are adult. No friend no come here to stay forever. First of all, we not in the same country. Look Pantash, me and Mimi a friend. From Jamaica. Mimi the America, me the writer. So, but if anything, she would link me and say you're good. I'ma say you're good. That's it. We not gonna stay a friend forever. You gonna live your life, me and live my life. We separate. Why you care belly for me?
Maybe that's her.
And Europe, me live and you live all the way at Jamaica. We not gonna be the friend who used to be like when we at Jamaica and the whole we are gonna party.
Everybody.
The whole of we are go dance.
Everybody
The whole of we are get dressed at each other yard. The whole of we are sleep at each other yard.
Maybe.
That now go happen again.
The people them to see a belly she a carry. When I look upon she right.
A foreign me live, I live at Jamaica. That now go on. At least we keep the friendship because we are long distance. We now got you. What the problem? Do man I go say me they are foreign and my hype on my friend them. Just because you give me a number, me no link you. Everybody, even Mimi know say me change number whole heap. I whole heap time Mimi say you can't change number, you girl. Me text them and say this is my new number. I regular me change number. The woman vex because me no link her.
Baby she vex because her body can't do. And she want for wait him there. Anyway, that baby girl that will go over there. You know she and the people them know she. The only reason why she talk about she is because as when me say, she different from me. She don't like when people tell lie on her. So she go deal with that girlie. And talk because she like when people tell lie on her.
The woman said 10 man battery me in Jamaica. And everybody me call said they never hear about that yet. So all you alone know about the 10 battery. And say me can't lock up the boy them. Because the boy them are going to kill off my family them. What? What?
Baby, from people them hear them something there. God know, me not tell no lie. From people them hear them something
Chunky
there.
say man 10 man draw me away and battery me. What? And I can't lock up the boy them because the boy them are going to kill off my family them. Chunky, you have to stop it, girl. You have to stop it. You have to stop it, girl.
You know that me I said, so everybody know a dopey story because she friend them always come. Why nobody never ever hear them something? And
Chunky, I'll tell the
somebody where I carry belly.
Chunky, I'll tell the people them all different type of story. Chunky, I'll talk about who are money. Chunky don't have no. When me a come up foreign, me no see Chunky. Chunky no know when me a come up foreign. Chunky, I tell the people them say me borrow money from her. Chunky, you don't have no money. The last time I check your breed for one boy on a town. And the boy family them eat you like poison and them beat you up.
I said, Mr. Baby, you just hurt because the girl tell lie. You know like when people tell lie upon you.
All I talk about my mother yard. Tell the people them say my mother yard are the biggest yard upon the block. The best yard. Chunky used to live on me yard, girl.
You know,
everybody come on me yard, come
too.
live. My mother yard are the biggest house on the blood clot block.
Right, touch that.
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 Clot block.
Right, touch that. Right, Royal. That's why I don't know, baby. A surprise bullshit.
Me don't have no link. You come here and beg link.
Yeah,
you know like them girl where you and them used to be friend and them they are Jamaica, they are foreign. And them link here say, girl, nothing now go on, you know.
Baby never help one
You know me I beg you a link and I say to her, I say, girl, me nah no link.
She never help somebody when I turn them we turn pan her. You have one boy named Jay right now. We have her up because of that. So, true.
Just because me tell you me nah no blood clot link. And that's your problem. Me don't have no link. And even if me did have link, me would give you. Because look here. You help people and look where them are there. Look here.
You see,
Other girl that we used to live in my home, said Chunky used to live in my blood clot house. A girl what me put up. The girl not live nowhere. Me say me send all mommy the picture. And mommy I say, Shay, are the girls who used to live in your house?
So your mother said pay them.
My mother said don't pay her no mind, Shay, because everything what she say a lie.
Everybody know this.
My mother show mommy the picture. Mommy said, Chunky want me feed. And that my mother said that girl I want me feed. Me feed that girl and I'm every day. When Chunky day in my yard, she eat every blood clot day. You see when she have big belly, bomb. And when Chunky catch the belly, me look after her no blood clot. Me say the girl now no baby father, me buy bad set fear, me buy everything for Chunky. And me live for see her company, yeah. I tell the people them say 10-man battery me. And my hype on my friend them. And when you know no baby father girl and me look after you. When I catch big belly and my mother feed you.
Maybe, you know, say.
No, sir.
Some people can pick sense out of nonsense. Me I tell you, say that girl, everybody say, she just hurt because of what she tell you. You not even have to work up yourself.
You know, say, wait now. Me get black. Crystal go over there and Crystal go over there and get black. Everybody go over the live and a type and a say, liar tell pan shame, me no shame, me and our friend. Me and our friend from the people them black them.
Black them. Then that me I tell you, them don't want nobody to talk
everybody
no
go over there get black.
Them don't want nobody to talk no truth. You hear what me I say? Because me wait name there, you know. As you me say, me not work up myself for you know. Uno bitter. And you have to go work out on bitterness by yourself because at the end of the day, it no matter what you want to tell people, it no matter what you want to say, it no matter how you go get down she and Queeny, you know. How? It not possible. It no blood clot possible. And me I tell you none of that. Destiny say, when him down and skies, who have left from who have left. Who not that powerful. Who not hold them the powers there. Who not work fast enough and who not work slow. Lawyer the belly where you carry because she fix you. Me no liar. You have to go when you wait name there, you know. And then call your name, you know. And you have to go do all sorts of things, you know. Remember, you know. You have to go come out in the blood clot public, you know, make the people them see who is blind by Timos. How it go for you? Eh? How it go for you? Because you come on, send me they glad, they want to share this, she went for public record. Public record. She never go for nothing with private. If it private, she could get it. So me don't know what you say. You trace too much. Ono no matter who I trace. Ono no matter who I trace too much. Fear play a man in a glad you know say I play a man. When she no want a hardcore man where she can't find out says a woman. If she want one woman where she can't identify the woman in her, should I just go take man. That don't make no sense. So when I look pa uno. Stay here, I say, Shana, mother, set it. Hold on. So we don't know where we are coming. That never thing for the way. That never thing for the way. Because only she can come right as come complain if she have a problem with being with Queeny. Uno can't complain for me if me have a problem for being with she. Uno cannot. And that you don't want to do. And that's not possible. Me see her 10 toes down. Have her back straight. Still I go back up. Still I go talk. Still I go this. Still I go that. It don't really matter. We not try. We will never get it. So you see any ex, cause she ex them dead. She say and I don't have any. You just have to go just drop down dead. It no matter what kind of belly you want to carry. At the end of the day, everybody we are run out to have to run out. Because what? When you don't see the woman, you don't feel like say, Queen if you have her or Queeny alone, see her there, you take her and go on. You see me hold on pan her? You see no chain the pan her foot? Over here? You not take her and go on with her. But what? You have to make sure she want to know. Yeah, man, when the fox can't get the grape, man, them sit down, them say it's sour, them do all sort of things. An ex cannot bring down a person. So you see all the thinking mouth one over there, so we dry out and suck out and I watch out my life and then go fix fear. You cannot size up. Well, don't watch out my life for me I live right there, so. And go try and fix yours. You can't size up. You have to go start from primary school and go graduate from primary school and come up.
Lord Jesus, we have to laugh to blood clot.
Oh, them start war with them one another. Me nah look pon them, me nah over there. Them look, me nah answer them. I laugh off of them, sexy Tash. I laugh off of them. Because when me know is them up when them done with them one another, man. The whole of them are gonna drop in them own hole. I want them, me no want them top dig. Me no want them stop talk. Because when me know my life is a open book, and me always say, any life when me live, it can broadcast. Me not live no careless life. I don't know where that this I tell them it the baby. No matter about baby. Every day them get up pan baby and this that is a different kettle fish. You know something the pan you don't really actually you know me don't stop laugh but cause I love laugh, you know. Them no know. But I love laugh off of people because I chuckle and laugh off of you know. I chuckle me and my woman the writer say laugh off of you know. She will cause all of this. We don't know ask them. She just do her body and then everything just turn upside blood clot down and she do her body. And because the woman stand up, first the woman usually sit down and them say, all you do is sit down on the stinking couch. Now the woman stand up, them want her to sit down. So we want to know how the blood clot what the woman to do. And we are not a people pleaser. We are not a people pleaser. The two are right, sir, and a people pleaser.
Murder to blood.
Right, your mother have the better body. That me know. 1 hourglass. 1 hourglass, and that me say. A 1 hourglass, and at the end of the day, me say anybody will come here, when still I go hear me in the back because I one blood clot back up singer right here, so. Me love when you make on sessions on a group. When you take turn sleep. How the shift go? How the shift go? When you write a register or a schedule for see who for sleep and run that shift there, run that shift there. The people them when in Europe, what them what? And them start the early shift and then when get look sleep and then when come on, me no want know it go.
Yeah, God, I can't bother.
Me no want know it go. None of them sleep last night. Me sleep.
We sleep.
We sleep. We just not too long wait. Me go to school. Me wake up, go to school, baby did I sleep. I go to school, I come back, and then I go sleep. When I come back and go sleep, me and my woman hug up and sleep, and then we just not too long get up.
Whoa, yeah. We sleep, and I know about them.
Them not give we sleepless night.
Them not make me get sleepless night a blood clot. You're crazy.
You work overnight and the whole of them, they still up a chat. Them need to chat. Remember, they not know for do, you know. Remember them say, remember lawyer tell them say something alright for me leave and then Destiny and say, Destiny, You ask me why me leave America, which is an English-speaking country, where you the one go and can go, and come over here so we're not English-speaking country. Although you never say English-speaking, because I mean, you can't talk. So, why you there Switzerland, and it's not an English-speaking country? When you answer that question, then me answer you.
Right.
When you answer why you come to a non-English-speaking country, then me answer you. Simple.
Right.
Because me no know how you over there, so. I wait name there, what? Because me come and showing up. Because me come and showing up. Me and show up the whole on over here, you know. Me and showing up. And that type problem. Me not gonna stop showing up. Who not talk about who sit down pan who and who no sit down pan who. You no have a problem with me sitting and share too. What the next problem? Let me tell you the next problem. You don't understand how me and her just easy and just live and just happy. And you know say, Bumbo Clark, no man, sitting right here, man. Shane have no work, Queeny have no work. Queeny come up. Till you no gone, Queeny have no papers. Till you no gone, Shane have no papers. All them are this, all them are that, all them just live. Rosalie, open your cupboard. Come now, come off of your foot and your back. Open your cupboard. You will have a cupboard and come and tell me and my woman. Say our cupboard empty. Never. Ask the people them.
Ask the people them in their comments.
Ask the people them.
Ask the people them ever see me a cook.
But open your cupboard right now, Rosalie. Open your cupboard right now and we'll go open our
Ask the people them in their Rosalie, the people in their comments supposed to say lie. Them ever see me in my kitchen, me ever open my cupboard, wherever I pack out food, wherever I come from grocery shopping, you're crazy.
Rosalie say you want to see, when she says she have this and that, sometimes the cupboard
Never empty.
Never empty.
You're crazy. As soon as you see it, I go down straight to the supermarket we go. You're
And the people
crazy.
them ever come with we.
I will ever bring them guys to the supermarket. You're mad.
Me hear you talk about empty cupboard. Empty cupboard
Empty
where?
cupboard.
Empty
You're
cupboard
mad.
Where, Rosalie?
Ever eat and ever cook twisted. And when we are shop now, grocery shopping, Charlie have to turn over the blood clots.
I'm going to tell you another thing, Rosalie. Me hear you
Lie.
talk. Me hear you talk about shade the body if you come sit down and shade the body. Don't worry about that. Wait now. Talk. Yeah, why you do this? Yeah, say shade the body if you come sit down and shade the body if you walk and take bus train. And you could have never worry if you go get car. Only if you go hurry we if you go get car. Where we don't where we don't want right now.
Them can't hurry for put on a blood clot.
For put we in on a depths.
Yeah.
Uno say we not work. Uno say we not work and we're hungry. So how is it that you don't want her to have a car? What is wrong with she taking the tram? Me never know say when you nobody you can't take tram nor bus or you cannot take a Uber. Me never know that. I know.
Lie.
She just not too long come on. She did come up on the next page and then report her as usual. And she alone can't keep live and them alone for talk. Remember when I report them, you know. Me want every rose have care. You see everything where she open for her big stinking mouth and say her white tongue with the copper ring. Me don't know if she does say she feel like it. I'm tell her, Rosalie, write down the things them where you want to say before you come. Your arm is not Spanish, then speak over here. In other words, Spanish. You not even know the Spanish. Who write down nothing for talking a Dutch? You hear that, girl? Where will I go to school for? You hear that? Me try to tell her, get up off of your big stinking ass. Come a foreign, come live. Any foreign, choose any foreign where you want to live. And come today and make sure you buy a car tomorrow. Come, we don't know how to live in foreign. You come and show us, Rosalie, that's all you have to do. Please don't make them deny you this time when you send to get a visa. you know how to live a foreign. So why you don't come show who don't know? Simple as that.
Come show you how.
Come show we how girl fi live a foreign.
Right.
We don't know fi live and we don't want to know fi live. We contented with how we are live in foreign. You know you want something bigger and better. Come and show us.
Right.
That's all you have to do to solve the problem. Show us how to live in foreign.
Right.
We don't know and we don't want to know. You see how we are live? And how we really want to live.
Yeah.
So you see if you want to live better, come show we, because remember we don't have no sense.
Yeah,
so you have to show us.
Come show the girl them how to live in a foreign.
Rosalie.
Come a foreign, come buy your house, come buy your car.
As you reach, make sure you get them. Buy them.
Buy them.
Not take nothing from the government here. You mad? And you know how it go?
Right.
Rosalie, I know etiquette. I think that's the word you were trying to pronounce. Low out certain things, here, mama? Low out certain things, big no sweet. Low out certain things, elephant trunk. Low out certain things, here? I know shame make you cannot do your body. Because all you talk about is body. I know shame. Why you don't bring down your BMI, where them say, and see if someone will take up the job? Because you're going to need a community. Uno can't shake Shane or Queeny. A one Shay and one Queeny. And Uno got tired for hear we and tired for see we. Uno mad? Then Uno, where Uno do could I get we down? How? How? If it could have get we down, when she bring out liar story and she run away, and in a box, then would run gone? When you see where I run? One of you do I stop report the live, make we talk and laugh. We need to laugh. So stop report the live, make we laugh to everybody have a fair chance. Don't to the keep on the live, okay?
Right.
When me and my woman asleep, we not reporting our say nobody come report on the live, you know. So you see if somebody report on the live, and the people them over there when I couldn't report it. I know we. Kiki, boy, them build up a story there. Oh, are you boyfriend? Me say somebody claim say them they are my ex. We say them I give them story. Somebody, hey, them gone far, you know, if you ever know them gone far. Remember you have been to the school. Remember you know me. Remember you know this. Me just make them talk. You have to wonder if you know me for true. Take it to, me I go link. You have to text me another page because my phone get messed up. That's why. It get messed up from the time when I talk to you. You have to text me another page, yeah. Your number. Yeah, me know, say I know. Yeah. Me say pure up his story. You will know me.
Why?
Pure up his story. Me know it gone far. But as you know, as the school will deal with them. Me not work up myself. At the school will deal with them. Me just want them get it one way. Lawyer, you get to the FBI yet, you get to the embassy of Belgium yet. And because you take too long for work, you know. Me can't bother, you know. Make somebody we can't say help you, man. Bomba clot.
Liar, hold on. Liar. You get to the FBI and the embassy of Belgium yet? Me they are way upon them. Me left the door crack open. Me want them come in.
Text me the number right or so.
Somebody asked Liar if she get to them yet.
Didn't you say Jake grape rose. I've never said that. I said them a mate. I don't know me say it. Somebody said them black them.
Oh.
I've never said that. I have never said nothing about no grape story for nobody. Go on for the screen record.
Yeah.
People say them a mate and me repeat it. So what?
Liar! I wonder if she get through to the police.
You get through to the FBI and the embassy of Belgium.
Yes.
Because a visa you go look.
Come on, know where embassy of Belgium have to do with blood clot. Me. Only the pan like the pan. Hello, I'm trying to call the embassy of Belgium. So what embassy of Belgium have to do with blood clot me? Tell them say Shade blood clot Stuart. So my name the liar. Give them the name. Come on, I must see visa. You go look boy, you want embassy of Belgium. Your blood clot boy, you call embassy of Belgium. A visa you look. I must visa you look. A visa you look. You call the FBI in Belgium yet? Make sure you speak your language. Jesus Christ.
No man, you can't get English speakers.
Just when you call them. When you call them.
Oh no. Me no live no careless life. Me say I can't wait. I can't wait for no do nothing. Do nothing. When I look pan she. Remember, I know, it is to try to get rid of Shay and Queeny, so everybody gonna have a story. Zara. Them report she did go up on live, whatever, but she soon use another page later. Just go and follow up that page, guys, because remember, them not stop report. I don't know why them not want we talk and laugh. Later. Right, public of that, me know, you know, you want a bag of money, I don't do, no pay it. You text in the page, Jamie. Remember, you text in the page. And talk this one. Jaja. One thing we don't know, everybody we are mother from everybody. So, if you don't know, say, she is not a mother and she is not a good mother and she is not a... Why want to still work upon herself? I want to know all of that. I don't understand why want to still work upon herself to find out about Shay kids. I still not understand. How is it that you're so big, bad, mad about Shay and her kids? Uno done all on the consensus. Uno done all. One of all already. Uno done all think one one thing. So why don't just settle with it and run with it? A big people time. Uno no say Queeny week, so she will never hear Donkey tell you no. Uno still up and share mother, what kind of this? Our kids. Since Uno worried more than Shay, Uno know everything, and every law in every country is the same laws. Uno just work with what Uno law say, and impose the law as Belgium law. Uno work upon yourself. Uno work upon yourself about something when I make no sense. The people them know all I go what them say? Me are the problem now, them say. What them say? She could have get back. Me no know where them say the child they, you know. But them say she could have get back, but because of what me do, took it make them not get.
Hey, you know which part catch me?
Hey.
At the part when them say, hear them now? Yeah. And I forget about the baby before the baby turned 5 this year, August.
Oh, that's how the ex were there.
Yeah, so hear them now. Yeah.
The bitter one over
and
there.
she have until August to get back the baby. Yeah. And here one woman coming at the box. Yes, it's true. And here Sky, yeah, can remember saying, no, it's been 3 years. And here the blood clad cokehead girl, yeah, I remember saying, no.
No, the cokehead I tell them.
Remember saying, no.
Where you are not have no contact and no business for over 3 years.
3 years, you know, so here the cokehead girl, you know, yeah, I remember saying, no. Them they give her a chance, and she take the chance and probably she never proved to them so she can be a mother enough to get back the child. And they hear them now, yeah, she have until August. Blood clot. If she not get the baby by August, the baby gonna give up for adoption. Why? Murder to blood clot.
Would they have to laugh out for that one? Them not to
laugh. Hey, the people are some sick people. Hey,
they're on a weird.
Hey, be have to laugh, but can't weird.
You see all that there? You see all that there one day? The cokehead one day where she still a go over she pussy, it a go mad you. Worse now the body go do. And you don't think say Queeny if you have it? No, me want to know. How is it that somebody when you're in my life for over 3 years can come tell me about me? And you don't know my business.
Don't know my business. You don't know what change. Me and you not there. Me and I have no contact, no connection. You don't know what change.
But I know that. Yeah, man. Me and she beat them, but them have to work hard. Anyway, you know what sweet me, people? She make una hear the bawling with the ex where in her box down. And the text them, she make una read them and all of that down. That sound like somebody where you tired of she and run she and none of them no left she.
Left who? No girl can't left.
That the ball in there. And when she did a ball and do all of that. Here I know. Me run her from December because everybody will know the story. I want to who you know that the story there. Where this one you say. If it take 10 years, me not come off for you. If me know where you live, me come lay down in front of your front door. You forget?
Yeah, I know. She did want me gone long time because she can't feed me.
Me say.
Here. But you didn't want me gone long time because you can't feed me. And you balled on my phone, sir. And I cried on my phone and I called on my phone. You send me an email. I want the blood clot.
But you're feed. And look over, and you still didn't get your money from your government that time there. And every time she want to borrow money, you said, no, you don't have any. Because you not give her. Me say, we have to laugh. The woman where unu hear a ball over she, a ball along the place. I send text like fuckery. Call on the woman phone wherever have her pan group call a laugh off her. I got to say, she run she from December. I just choose she run left her February. Everybody know the truth. Everybody know it. And if she play the ball in sound right now, the people then laugh off of you. And say that sound like somebody where you do want to leave.
Voila, mama look feet and play it. Mama look feet. If this so like somebody where did want me.
I don't know who they with them, you know. Because I want to know who could have, you think she could have sit down right and say about she keep life for X. I mean, I mash up the phone. And log her out. Keep which life. So, I must some single people who no be to blood clot because you no could have nobody.
Hold on. Since she said she didn't want me left from when.
No laugh, Kiki.
Don't
no laugh. Because me want to know if I sing. And me no mash up the phone there. Sit down and keep life for X, but which X? Me could have sit down and keep live about. You mad? And she still have the phone in a working condition? You must be mad to should I buy phone so till? Since her ex you want keep life about, you know go wait name there. You must be some single people. Yeah, me I really Gemini for true. That is why me hear Ringo tell him say, yes, me and her born the same day. Ringo, so if you know me and born the same day, ask the people them if I am affected by what them I say. Ask the people them if Queeny easy to deal with. Ask the people who know me know say, if you're not blood clot strong, you cannot be with Queeny. I am not for the weak at heart. Remember?
I wait there, I can look for blood clot.
I laugh off of you know. I laugh off of when you no come. Laugh. Because me realize so no make sense. Me want the people them get a laugh off of you.
Hold on.
She hurt me, I know I'm fucked up, I know I'm fucked up, dog. I don't want to move on it, you know, but this and that, and that, fuck with the dog. What did she?